Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Shahzad. You are watching my YouTube channel Learning with Shahzad. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press on bell icon. Today we learn about the ocean of the world. We see how much oceans in the world. What is ocean? We know first of all what is ocean. An ocean is a very large area of salt water. Most of earth is covered in ocean. There are 5 oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. These are 5 main oceans. First of all, we learn about the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. It reaches from America to Asia and Australia. The Pacific Ocean is surrounded by a line of volcanoes known as the Ring of Fire. It is also home to the Great Barrier Reef, which is the largest coral reef in the world. Atlantic Ocean. It reaches from North and South America to Europe and Africa. It is known as the Atlantic Ocean. And the third one is an Indian Ocean. It is named after the country of India. The Indian Ocean is home to many endangered sea creatures, including turtles, seals, and dugongs, also known as sea cows. Antarctic Ocean. It is known as Antarctic Ocean as it surrounds Antarctica. It is the coldest and wildest ocean in the world. There is always ice walls over the years. And the last one is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. It surrounds the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is completely covered in ice. Polar bears live on the ice that covers the ocean and can swim in the water. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Why are oceans so important? Oceans make up over 70% of the Earth's surface. There are over 700 million different species of animals that live in the ocean. It is important to protect the ocean to make sure their habitats are safe. The ocean is also full of teeny plants which helps to produce oxygen which we need to breathe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.